The year is 2025. The internet is bursting with video content. Businesses need engaging videos to reach customers. But creating high-quality videos takes time. It also costs money. That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence is changing the game. AI makes video creation faster and easier. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to profit from video. AI can help you make money with videos. Think about YouTube channels, social media ads, and online courses. These are just a few ways to monetize your content. With AI, you can create professional videos without a big budget. You don't need a large production team either. This levels the playing field for entrepreneurs and creators. InVideo AI is a powerful online video editor. It's designed for anyone who wants to create professional videos quickly. InVideo AI uses artificial intelligence to simplify video editing. You don't need any prior editing experience to use it. This platform offers a variety of features. You get access to a vast library of templates. There are also stock footage options and music tracks. You can easily add text, transitions, and effects. InVideo AI also makes it simple to create videos in different languages. You can even convert your blog posts or articles into engaging videos. Creating a video with InVideo AI is easy. First, sign up for an account and choose a template. You can also upload your own footage. Next, use the drag and drop interface to customize your video. Add text, music, and transitions with just a few clicks. InVideo AI's AI-powered features are designed to save you time. Use the AI text-to-speech feature to narrate your videos. The AI-powered video generator can automatically create videos from your scripts or articles. Once you're happy with your video, simply download it or share it directly to your social media channels. Many creators and businesses are already using InVideo AI to achieve their goals. Marketing agencies use it to create engaging social media content. Small businesses use it to produce high-quality product demos. Educators use it to create engaging educational videos. One entrepreneur used InVideo AI to create a series of YouTube videos. These videos showcased her product and drove traffic to her website. Her sales skyrocketed. A marketing agency used InVideo AI to create engaging social media ads for their clients. The results were impressive. They saw a significant increase in click-through rates. Section 5. The InVideo Advantage, Saving Time and Money. InVideo AI offers significant advantages over traditional video editing methods. First, it saves time. Traditional video editing can be incredibly time-consuming. InVideo AI's intuitive interface and AI-powered features streamline the process. This allows you to create professional videos in minutes, not hours. Second, it saves money. Hiring videographers and editors can be expensive. InVideo AI offers a cost-effective alternative. You can create high-quality videos yourself without breaking the bank. This makes professional video creation accessible to everyone. Section 6. InVideo AI for everyone. Beyond the basics. InVideo AI is incredibly versatile. You can create a wide range of videos, including marketing videos, explainer videos, and social media content. The platform offers a variety of templates and features tailored to different needs. You can create videos for any platform. InVideo AI makes it easy to optimize your videos for different social media platforms and websites. This ensures that your videos look their best everywhere. You can even create videos in different aspect ratios. Section 7. The future is now AI and the content creator economy. AI is transforming the content creator economy. It empowers individuals and businesses to create high-quality video content. This content can then be used to reach a wider audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools and features. This will further democratize video creation. Anyone with an internet connection and a story to tell will have the power to create professional quality videos. This will lead to a more diverse and engaging online video landscape. Section 8. Ethical considerations, AI and the human touch. As with any powerful technology, it is important to use AI responsibly. While AI can automate many aspects of video creation, it's important to remember the importance of the human touch. AI should be used to enhance creativity, not replace it. Use AI to streamline your workflow and save time, but always bring your own unique perspective and creativity to the table. This will ensure that your videos are not only visually appealing but also engaging and authentic. Section 9. Ready to profit? Jumpstart your InVideo AI journey. The future of video creation is here. InVideo AI empowers you to create professional quality videos with ease. Start creating today and unlock your earning potential. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a budding content creator, InVideo AI can help you achieve your goals. Experiment, innovate, and let your creativity soar. The world is waiting to see what you create. Sign up for a free trial of InVideo AI today and start creating your own profitable videos.